Welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about writing linear function equations, and this is aligned with IXL Precalculus A8. So when we write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, we need to know two things, the slope and the y-intercept. If we can find the slope first, then we can use the slope and one extra point to actually calculate the y-intercept, or b. So here's our steps. Step one, find the slope. It's either going to be given to us, or we're going to find it from the points. And then step two, use the slope and one other point that we're given to find the y-intercept. Let's try an example question. A line has a slope of 2 and passes through the point 3, 6. What is its equation in slope-intercept form? So remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Here we're given the slope equals 2, and then we're told one point, I'll say xy equals 3, 6. So all I need to solve for here is b. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the variables that I know into the equation and solve for b. So y here is 6, that equals m, which is 2, times x, which is 3, plus b. So that leads us to 6 equals 2 times 3 is 6, plus b, which means b must be 0. So my equation is going to be y equals 2 times x plus 0. We don't need to write that, so it's just y equals 2 times x. Let's try another one. There's a line that includes a point 7, 9 and has a slope of 0. What is its equation in slope-intercept form? So we're going to do almost the same thing, but the key difference is that our slope is 0. So let me write out what I know. My point is 7, 9, slope is 0. I need to solve for b. So I'm going to plug in the values that I know. 9 equals slope is 0 times x, which is 7, plus b. Notice that this term is just going to cancel, because 0 times anything is 0. So I find right away that 9 is b. Well, if the slope is 0, I actually don't have to write this term at all. So my answer is going to just be y equals 9. That is a horizontal equation, horizontal line at the value y equals 9. Let's try one last example. Points 10, 4 and 5, 6 fall on a particular line. What is its equation in slope-intercept form? In this case, we're not given the slope, so we need to calculate it. Slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Labeling our points, x1, y1, x2, y2, we get 6 minus 4 divided by 5 minus 10. 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 10 is negative 5, so our slope is 2 over negative 5. Now we can use that to find our equation. In this case, we're given 2 points. We can choose 10, 4 or 5, 6 to use. It doesn't matter. I'll go ahead and just use the first one, 10, 4. And then we know our slope is negative 2 over 5. So plugging in, we get 4 equals negative 2 over 5 times 10 plus b. Simplifying, 4 equals negative 2 would become negative 2 over 5 times 10 would become negative 4 plus b. Add 4 to both sides and you get b must be 8. So now we can put it together in our final equation. Y equals negative 2 over 5 x plus 8. And that is our answer. And that's it for this lesson. Go ahead now and try some practice on your own.